YouTube family. Let's go on a day in the life of me working on orders when I'm not working my 9 to 5. I am still off because of the holiday. I took some extra days because I've been really tired. So today I'm just gonna try to get all my orders done. I have 10 shirts that I need to get done and ship out, and I do have 10 memory bears that I'm working on, and I also have a birthday shirt order that I need to get done also. So come along with me and just see how my day is. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going to get the design cut for the shirt. It's a reorder, so I'm back to working on the memory bears. I am getting the rest of the pieces cut out, and I will start sewing them together. If I don't start sewing them together today, and it is Monday, I believe the 28th, I believe. That is Monday. I will start sewing them tomorrow, or I'll get them done one day this week. But that's currently what I'm doing now, cutting out the pieces for the memory bear. So as I continue my day in the life of, I don't know what to call this, but anyhow, so I have all of the vinyl for my shirts ready. Now my nephew needs a hoodie, so I'm going to quickly sew him a hoodie real quick and customize that, and I'll meet you back. So I got everything cut. I'm getting ready to go to my serger and put this all together. So the hoodie is complete. Now I'll get everything that needs to be heat pressed done, and I'll get back to the memory bears, and I'll show you the beginnings of them so far. So when you custom make your clothes, it only makes sense, and it's really a good practice to put a label in it, to put the size, put your brand, and put the instructions on there. This is just something that I make myself. I like to have it where it's actually into the fabric. You can do the tag in there, but I like to do this. It's multiple ways you can do it, and I just make up a bunch of them, and I have them so that when I make custom items, the customer knows the size, and they know how to care for it and what the material is made of. So all of the patches are done. I just have to cut the jumps on those. This was a special one for the owner. I gotta clean that up. Here's this is, once I get through with these, that'll be 8 of them done, and then I have 2 more to cut, and then I'm working on an arm here on the machine. So I am getting them done. This is I really like this one here with the shirt. She wanted to make sure that I put a good part of the shirt, because this was the granddaughter's favorite shirt that her granddad wore. So I am getting these memory bears almost done. So these are 3 of the memory bears that I have started. I have to put the nose on, and I have to put the back on, because it hasn't been the back hasn't been put on, and then I'll stuff it, and then I have to put the patch on also. So I do have to put the patch on, and I have a pin. Sugar, I had a pin. and all of them where the patches go. But then I have 7 more to do, and they will be done. So these are the beginning of the memory bears that I'm doing for a customer. Well, I finally got them all complete. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can know every time I upload a new video.